Hello everyone, welcome back. Network Exploit here, and I am Paspati Bania. I'll be the mentor in this video. And today's topic is our taxonomy of security goals. Let's start with the topic: security goals that provides confidentiality, integrity, and availability. And these are the CIA, which are the very important aspect of the security goals. And confidentiality and integrity. What is confidentiality? Confidentiality is probably the most common aspect of information security when we need to protect our confidential information. An organization needs to guard against those malicious actions that endangers the confidentiality of its information. Integrity. Information needs to be changed constantly. Integrity means that changes need to be done only by authorized entities and go through authorized mechanism. Availability. Availability means this is the third component of the information security. The information created and stored by an organization needs to be available to the authorized entities. Information needs to be constantly changed, which means it must be accessible to the authorized entities. Security attacks that are on the confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Attacks threatening confidentiality, attacks threatening integrity, attacks threatening availability. Passive attack versus active attack. What is passive attack and what is active attack? The passive attack include the indirect interaction with the target or the victim, and the active attack means the direct interaction with the victim or the target directly to gather the piece of information. Okay, and here we have divided security attacks, that is threat to the confidentiality, threat to the integrity, and threat to the availability. Inside the threat of confidentiality, there are two security attacks, which are snooping attacks and traffic analysis attack. Threat to integrity attack, there are four types of security attacks. There are modifications, masquerading attack, replaying and repudiation attacks, which comes under the threat to integrity. Threat of availability. The threat which come under the availability are denial of services, uh, in which the process in which the service in which the customer are not customer or the end devices are not able to access any kind of services from the particular server. That means denial of services. This is the taxonomy of attacks with relation to security goals. Let's learn some of the attacks a little bit more briefly. And what is snooping attack? Snooping attack refers to unauthorized access to or interception of the data. And what is traffic analysis? Traffic analysis refers to obtaining some other type of information by monitoring online traffic. What is modification attack? Modifications means the attackers intercept the message and change it. Masquerading or spoofing attack. Masquerading or spoofing happens when the attack impersonated somebody else. Like if Ram and Sam are communicating with each other, and I will be like impersonate by using the Ram. Hey buddy, it's me. I'm Ram, and you now have to communicate with me. Oh. So the Ram will send the message to the me. That means I'm the impersonated. and snooping attack, traffic analysis, modifications, masquerading or snooping the attack which threaten the confidentiality. Okay, the threat that can attack that can threat the confidentiality are snooping attack, traffic analysis attack, modification, masquerading or spoofing attack. And the threat and the attack that threaten integrity, they are replaying attack, repudiation attack, denial of services attack. Replaying attacks means the attacker obtains a copy of a message sent by a user and later tries to replay it. Repudiation attack. Repudiation attack means that sender of the message might later deny that she has sent the message. The receiver of the message might later deny that he has received the message. Denial of services (DOS) attack is a very common attack. It may slow down or totally interrupt the services of a system. And passive attack versus active attack. Categorization of the passive and active attack. On my left side there is an attack, and there are more two columns, and they are differentiated between the active attack and the passive attack and the threatening, and that are the kind of threatening that are included in the active and passive attack. Okay, an attack under the attack, there is a snooping and traffic analysis attack. Traffic and snooping attack and traffic analysis attack come under the passive attack, and they are the kind of attack which might be threatening to the confidentiality. Modification, masquerading, repelling, and repudiation attack, which come under the active attack, and this kind of attack threaten the integrity, because modification, masquerading, replaying, and repudiation, they are such kind of attack which violate the integrity of the security of the message. Denial of services. Denial of services attack come under active attack, and it is threatened to the availability of any system or the services. Hey guys, in the next topic we will be talking about the services and the mechanism. For now, for this video, today we have talked about the system security that are come under security goals, which is included confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Yes, I have all the talk about the 3 point very deeply, so you guys have understand clearly, and the type of attacks that come under these CIA, confidentiality, integrity, and availability. And I have explained each and every attack one by one, as you have already watched. If you guys have any queries or any question related to this video, let me know, so we can interact with each other. So this was the video guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye, have a good time.